Hey everyone, today I want to share a powerful way to transform your service business with automation. This one strategy helped me boost revenue without any extra costs and saved me a ton of time. If you're looking for a way to make your business run smoother while growing your bottom line, stick around. I'll walk you through the steps to start automating today. Plus, I've got a free revenue boost worksheet linked below to make tracking your results easy. Let's jump in. Running a service business is no joke. Between scheduling, client calls, and making sure every detail is covered, it's a lot to keep up with. I've been there. It can be overwhelming. But what if I told you that automating just a few key tasks could free up hours of your week? That's exactly what I've done with my business, and it's been a game changer. For me, automation means I can focus on the big picture goals instead of getting bogged down by the little things. Honestly, I was a bit hesitant to start automating. I thought it might feel impersonal, and I worried clients would notice. But I was wrong. The results were amazing. Not only did it save me time, but clients appreciated the consistent follow-ups and reminders, and my business became way more efficient. Let's get specific. Here are 3 powerful follow-up methods you can automate that will improve client retention, build loyalty, and lead to more business over time. A thank you message goes a long way in building trust. It's a simple way to show appreciation that keeps clients loyal and makes them more likely to recommend you. In House Call Pro, or whatever tool you use, set up an automated thank you email or text to go out shortly after each job is marked complete. It takes 5 minutes to set up, and it can pay off in customer loyalty. I noticed an increase in repeat customers after implementing this. People would actually respond to the thank you message and sometimes even book another job right away. When you remind clients about referrals, you're leveraging existing relationships to build new ones. People feel comfortable recommending a service they've had a good experience with, but they often just need a little nudge. Here's a tip. Add a link to your Google page in this message so clients can easily leave a review or share your contact info. I was surprised how many referrals came in from this. It was like my past clients became my mini marketing team without me having to lift a finger. And remember, if you're worried about being pushy, keep it casual. Like, by the way, if you know someone who could need our help, it works wonders without feeling like a hard sell. Checking in with past clients once or twice a year is a great way to stay top of mind. Just ask them how everything's going since you last worked together, and let them know you're there if they need anything. Recently, I checked in with a client, and they ended up booking another service the next day. These are opportunities that automation creates. And it's all about being present and helpful. All right, now that you know the methods, let's talk about how to stay organized and make this system work for you. I created the Revenue Boost worksheet, and it's linked below. Here's how it works. After each job, log every thank you message, referral request, and check-in. It might seem small, but tracking these steps is key to seeing the impact on your revenue. Track client responses and new leads generated from referrals and repeat business. This shows you which follow-ups work best over time. Pro tip right here. Review the worksheet weekly to spot trends and make any adjustments if needed. It's motivating to see the potential revenue that consistent engagement brings. Remember to use the worksheet every week. These small, consistent follow-ups add up to big gains over time. I'll be doing this right along with you, so let's make it a routine that supports long-term growth. These small, automated follow-ups really can lead to big gains, and with automation, you don't have to stress about remembering every little detail. It's all handled for you. If you want to take this a step further, you can automate other processes too, like appointment confirmations or service reminders, so clients always know what to expect. There's a ton of potential once you start exploring automation. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, subscribe for more insights on scaling your service business without extra overhead. And don't forget to grab the worksheet in the description to start tracking those follow-ups today.